Welcome to Power Tower Demolition Derby. This is PTDD06. Today's contestants are the 81 Camaro, Golden Arrow, 67 Shelby GT 500, Rodger Dodger, you might have seen him in another video, Custom V8 Vega, Bone Shaker. This one's from the 2012 Team Hot Wheels High Speed Wheels series. Whipped Creamer, that's an original Redline from 1970. Mazda Furai. K.I.T.T. kit. You can see the red scanner in the front. And Hollowback, that's from the AcceleRacers, you know, Metal Maniacs. Before we start, one of my Power Tower Demolition Derby videos had a problem. Every single car, well, actually 9 out of the 10 cars got chomped. Just like that. And I thought, that's not going to be any fun at all. There's got to be some way to figure out to where he doesn't chomp every car. It's just not fun if they all get chomped. I checked my gates to make sure they were wide open and that they were not slowing down the cars. They were both wide open. Another thing that I tried is I unstuck this one and then I put a new command strip and I pulled it as tight as I could because there was a little sag here. There still is, but there was a little sag and I thought maybe that was slowing the cars and messing up the timing, and that did not help either. The way the car chomping beast is set up is that the trap door is actually open all the time. You can see there, the trap door is open. It's open all the time, but this little arm on the side, when the spiral goes up, it lifts the arm and it closes the door. It makes a safe spot for the cars to drive over. Now, if you have a very young guy who wants the cars to never crash, you can just do this little fix. The head just pops on and off, no big deal. But like I showed you, this is what keeps the gate from closing right here. So when you have it in the upright position, you can just take this Scotch painter's tape, because it peels on and peels off without leaving a residue. You can just take this, put it across the gap, and then reach underneath and just go like that. The cars will drive right over. That's for the guy who, you know, wants to get more playing and doesn't care for it to crash, or maybe you don't want to do this next fix that I'm going to show you. So as the spiral spins around, it pushes this lever. That's what opens and closes the door. And it also pushes this button right here, and that's what pops open the car chomping beast's mouth. What I decided to do, inside here, maybe you can see in there. Let me slow down. It pushes up on that little thing on the inside. So I thought that I don't want to get in there. I don't want to mess anything up on the inside, but I can do a simple fix on the outside that would change the way this works. Remember, when this is in the up position, it's what holds it up. So I thought if I put something on the bottom, it'll push it up sooner and then probably give you more time to race across the opening. I took a little piece of cardboard. It's actually a Hot Wheels blister, and then I cut it this big, and then I folded it in half so it'll be like double thick like this. And I did it this width because I want it to be just this size, no bigger. Then I taped it to the bottom. I use the painter's tape because if I want to remove it or if I want to adjust it, it peels off easily and doesn't leave a residue. It is not permanent. Wrap it around, and since I added thickness right here with the cardboard, that means it's going to get pushed up sooner than it was before. Let's just go ahead and pop it on. Let me get 3 cars like I did before. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it would help if I put the rest together. All right, ready? Just like that, it worked. Now the cars, they'll still crash once in a while in there, but they're not going to crash every time like they were before. I mean, what's the point in the fun if they crash every time? You just want them to crash some of the time. Now if I wanted to change the timing, I could only put one piece of cardboard in there. And that would make it open up just a little bit longer. I might drop it down to one piece of cardboard. I don't want them to make it through it every time. Alright, I got it loaded up with a bunch of cars now, and I'm looking for the car chomping beast to get some of the cars, not all of them. And I also don't want every car to get through, you know, we want a little action. Let's try it now. I think I got one guy. I think I kind of like that. Oh, there you go. See, once in a while you want him to catch somebody. Okay, back to the first cars I showed you, including Hollowback. Wow, Kid Night Rider got flipped over right away. We're going to go ahead and give him another shot. Mustang was out right away, couldn't handle the first turn, or the second turn. Oh, Bone Shaker wiped that on the curve. Here comes Kit, the Night Rider. Down the loop, U-turn. Oh, he's out of here. That's it, Bubba. Oh, Bone Shaker. I forgot to get him out of there. Timeout. I forgot to get the Bone Shaker out of there. We're going to go ahead and advance some cars. That's my mistake. Let me scoot this guy down. Original Redline whipped creamer. Scoot him down. Now let's scoot everybody up one. Golden Arrow. Rodger Dodger. Chevy Vega. And Hollowback. Okay, restart. Go. I was expecting the whipped creamer to flip out of the curve. But that Redline whipped creamer's holding on pretty good. Chevy Vega, a little trouble in the bottom. Mazda Furai. Wow, that was close. Golden Arrow. Upside down. He's out of here. I'm going to have to take him out when he gets to the top. Oh, Vega, we got to pile up. Golden Arrow's out. 2, 4, 5. 5 racers left. 4 racers. Let me get the Vega. Oh, Hollowback. Whipped creamer out. Down to 2. Chevy versus Rodger Dodger. A Camaro. Sorry, 81 Camaro. Chevy Camaro. I'm all right. Neck and neck. Go. Safe. Safe. Oh, Rodger Dodger. Woo, that was close. We got a little space. That gives the Camaro a break because now he doesn't have to worry so much about Rodger Dodger coming from behind. Oh, he can't handle it. Rodger Dodger is the winner. of the first heat of the Demolition Derby. Now let me go ahead and reset, and we're going to take the left side of the track. That would be the side with the buzzsaw. Coming right up. All right, 10 cars ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same 10 cars. I'm going to flip the gate here. Now they're going to be trying to avoid the buzzsaw. Go! Mazda Furai. Safe. Wow, Chevy Vega, my car. Bone shaker. Time. Wow, unfortunately, Whip Creamer's out. Rodger Dodger's out. Let's get the Bone Shaker. Hollowback, I'm going to advance him up one so that he gets in. K.I.T.T, I'm going to push them in. They're in the order that they were. Camaro out. We got a little battle going on the bottom. Oh, Night Rider, upside down. Bye-bye. 4 cars left. Uh-oh. Oh, he's hanging. I don't know if that GT is going to be able to make it. Time out. Yep. He's out here. As we get a little close-up right there, he's stuck underneath. And just as I thought, we're going to have to DQ this guy. Here we go. Let's get him out. And we'll start right where we are. 3 cars left. Mazda Furai, Golden Arrow, and the AcceleRacers original Hollowback. That's it. Oh, Golden Arrow, not so golden. Takes a dive. Hollowback coming up. Makes it back in. This is the faster than ever version of the Mazda Furai. So he's got the added benefit of those smooth rolling wheels. Oh, takes a whack, but he makes it. Did you see that sideways slide? I'm going to have to get that in the slow-mo at the end. Stay tuned, because after the end of this race, I'll have some highlights from both of the races. Hollowback representing the AcceleRacers world. Mazda Furai representing faster than ever. These guys are separated quite a bit, so they don't even have to risk running into each other. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Boom! Oh, I gave him a little help. But next time around, he's going to be close. We might see some action here. Oh, barely slipped away. Now this is Power Tower Demolition Derby number 6. I already got at least another 6 episodes scheduled. I already have the matchup. For the first 12 races, I'm not doubling up any cars. We'll see 120 different cars in the first 12 episodes of the Power Tower Demolition Derby. This thing's going to go on forever. Pretty soon the facility is going to turn out the lights on us and tell us to go home. Boom. Hollowback, he keeps being at risk because he hits that lip. I haven't seen the Mazda Furai getting into any trouble at all. Just like that. Oh, boom. See. With the Mazda Furai being so low to the ground, it's going to be really hard for him to crash. Oh, Hollowback! He's out of here. Thank you, everybody. Good night. That's it. Turn out the lights. Stay tuned for another future Power Tower video. Take care. Have fun. Bye-bye.